Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I said starting from every Monday for a while I'll be doing a series called Embellishment Monday, and I suppose this is aimed at like craft fairs and things and just gifting, sorry about that ambulance, gifting things to your crafty friends, or as I said, craft fairs. So today I wanted to show you these really sweet little paper clips I've been making using the Jar of Love, and I just think it looks so sweet and they're really easy to do. So we're gonna do another one of these. So I've already made 3 of them. This one is got the little fish in. This one has got in some stamped little paper clips that I've got, and then this one has just got little glittery hearts in. Okay, so I've actually folded them over, and it's really easy to do. So I've got the Jar of Love stamp set and the framelits that match. So I'm using the middle jar. So I've got a bit of Whisper White here, and what you want to do is fold it over, okay, like that. And if you take your jar, and I'm just stamping it with some black memento, and then what you want to do is just get a bit of scrap paper here. So what you want to do is just stamp it so it's right at the very top of the card. Okay, so just at the top. And you see that there, it's just right at the very top. And then we're going to take the matching die, and what you want to do is you want to pop it through the machine just so you've got a little bit of the die hanging over the top, okay, and that will then cut out like a double one where you can, it will actually be 2 pieces stuck together. So you just want to leave a small little bit hanging over. So I'm just going to quickly run this through the big shot. And when it comes out, as I said, it's like that. Okay, so you could even make sweet little tags out of these as well. You can do all sorts of stuff. So what I've got for this one is I've already gone ahead and stamped out 2 of these again, but this time they're like little grapefruits because I've done them in Flirty Flamingo, because those ones were done in Daffodil Delight. And I've put Wink of Stella on these. I put glossy accents on the last ones. So before that I've got a large pink paper clip, and actually no, what I'm going to do first is attach the lid, and I've stamped them in lovely lipstick. Okay, so just attach the little lid, the jar lid, Alright, and then take your clip and just pop it through the bit where there's no break in the clip, and it will just slide in like that. Okay, and then we're just going to glue it together. Really sweet. Okay, and then my two little grapefruits, I'm just going to cut them in half. Okay, and then like I did with the other one, I am just going to glue them in to my little jar. Really sweet. And just wherever you think Okay, so there is my cute little jar of grapefruits, and as I said, those have got a wink of Stella on, but the other ones have the glossy accents, which does look really nice. But it needs a little bit to dry, so I'm not going to bother for the video. So I've got my little clips done, and I'm using my favourite paper at the minute, which is this one. I forgot what you call it, but I'm going to use the reverse of it, and I've got a cellophane bag. So this paper is 4.5 inches by 5 1/4, and what I'm going to do is just arrange the little clips onto the paper. Okay, just like that, however you want them on. And you can use like a glue dot if you take a bit of the sticky off. I've just ordered some ones that are removable. Or you can also, what did I use? I think I just used some of the snail because it's not permanent. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back just to hold them onto the paper. But a little glue dot just rolled up, and so you've took some of the stickiness off would do. So sweet. That looks really pretty. And then I've got a cellophane bag, so I'm just going to pop the little clips in, and I want to leave a little gap in the top because I've got a bit of the same DSP but the opposite side, which is 5 3/4 by 4, and I've scored it on the short side at 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like, this is going to be like a little topper, so I am going to staple that on to there. Okay, so get my stapler. And just staple it on. Now I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to close the bag. And I think that looks really sweet, really professional as well. And I don't know if you remember, I showed you the other day that I bought some of this pom-pom trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some of the pom-pom trim just along the bottom, just like that, to make it look a bit fancier. I'm just going to cut that bit off because it's gone a bit weird, that bit. So I'm going to cut off what I need. Might be a bit long. And I'm just going to glue that down onto the little bag. Just put some glue on the back. You could use hot glue as well. I just haven't plugged my glue gun in. Just make sure that's stuck. And there we go. How sweet of them. Brilliant gifts, and as I said, I also think they would be great to sell at your craft fairs. And that one is just crepe paper that I folded and just stapled on. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back again on Wednesday with another video, and I'll be doing some more different kind of embellishments every Monday. Alright, so I'll put the details on my blog for this. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.